Mega Morning! I'm Kenneth, your McKinley Insider, always happy to guide you. Come with me. Filipino are known to be faithful and deeply spiritual. It's one of the things that makes our culture so special. We hold to our faith no matter what life throws at us. Here in this community, God's home is never far. We're blessed to have a church right here, conveniently located on the 3rd floor of Venice Grand Canal Mall. Whether you are shopping, bonding with your family, or simply spending time with yourself, you can always take a moment to pause, reflect, and pray. There's a regular Mass schedule too, every Saturday at 6 p.m. and every Sunday at 5 p.m. here at St. Raphael the Archangel Chapel. After the Mass, you can enjoy the evening air outside. That's it. This is Kenneth, your McKinley Insider, signing off for now. If you like this content, make sure to follow us to stay updated. See you in the next video.